Maddie's like, I'm 21st.
Although, you know what was weird? I did wake up to a message from Jason.
How's it going? Because I said we're setting up thirst traps. What do I do to deserve that? Be here?
No.
I don't know this either.
Okay.
Oh, it's Ethan Dude, the small dude.
Ethan Dude is a guy that's a year below me and has he has a thing for me, but I'm like, no thank you.
So we're just opening another client?
We can, or be like, just give me a gift or something like that. Just wish me happy birthday. But don't feed him anything. He just compliments me every single time I post something.
Just wish me happy birthday.
Yeah.
Jason, not one that I can give you while you're not with me. And hey, I thought I was special, but I just saw your story.
No, that's a special one for him. I sent that to him. Oh, god damn it. I can't win with him. Oh my god. Overthinker. Fucking Scorpios. I can't deal with people at this moment in time. Why is that solid? Why is that one solid? What the frick is that? What the hell? It's a fresh cut. It's a fresh cut. That one's not a fresh cut.
Dust, Jono, Maddie, me, Justice, Ethan.
What? I told you! You have to have a look at all of them. I was not expecting that.
I told you.
Ah!
Oh, he's just saying that you're making a smart move to actually get to know. He goes, what if I come over right now? It's probably very dangerous. And I was like, no, you're fine.
Yeah. It's just the cancer in me. Holy shit. Oh, we really need to use those avocados.
Dustin, damn. Hang on, I gotta message Maddie back.
I did the same photo of my ass and we're good. That's all it is.
Justice. Hey, happy birthday. Having fun, I see. We're leaving you in red. We're happy at the same time. Why are you sending videos now? Fuck off. You put the pressure on Jono.
Did I? What did he say?
He's like, oh, the pressure. Because I've wanted you for so long, I don't know how to like word it. And I was like, no pressure, thank you.
I don't like his teeth though.
You need to like his teeth.
As long as he has a good dick, we're all happy. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, fuck's sake. I swear to God. How dumb can a...
Do you know what I replied with?
What?
I was sad.
You gotta be honest. You know,
Oh well, if I could hang out with you and help you feel less lonely, I would. This is Ethan.
you know, okay, TMI, it's probably way too much information for you, but
Try me.
like, I'm very hard to turn on, and only like some people can get me like really. He kissed me and I was like, fuck's sake, straight away.
Straight away?
Straight away. And I was like, you're leaving me hanging. Like, come on, seriously.
That's what I said.
I feel like I was sitting here down too. You did. Like the whole thing that I sent, like that I posted on Twitter had nothing to do with him. And that was a few days ago, so it's not relevant now. What? What?
He's like, give me a sec. With an ass like that, I can't not cover it in handprints. Make me want to grab it and spank it and thrust my cock in you for fun.
You better be bigger than Chris. I swear if it's a thumb, I'm not gonna be happy.
In order of events, I'd be starting at your lips, not your hips, kiss you all the way down your body, and slowly down your neck and starting!
Jono?
Yeah. Jono. Jump the thighs.
Just say that to him. I have so many flowers. Oh, this place is now messy. Can I throw your chips out?
Yeah.
Sam, I'm sorry the place is a bit of a mess.
Why are you apologizing? A lot of it's my mess.
Because I just feel bad.
It's your house and I'm the one, you know, swatting.
It's okay.
Slowly kiss her.
Who's this
Why would you go up and then go down? Are you fucking dumb?
Oh my god, I hate men.
Are you... How old is this dude?
My age?
The fuck is wrong with you people?
Look at my flowers though. Aren't they pretty?
He's typing. We're leaving that conversation. The fuck?
Just be blunt with him. He's a blunt person, and I'm blunt with him.
Aiden Reed.
Oh no!
We're not answering that one because that was 32 minutes ago. It's just the notification was bugging me.
Just give me a second to look at. Also, look at my. Yeah, these are fucking disgusting. I hate that. I hate that I bought those.
Winky face to that one because we ain't replying. Best booty on the best girl. Hope you got spoiled rotten. Damn straight she did. It was me.
He makes me really uncomfortable.
Oh!
What?
Oh! We got another photo. I bet you it's another gym photo. Oh no! It's a cat!
Oh,
It's so cute!
he's all the way in Mudgy, which annoys me.
My goodness. Who is the my goodness to? Who? Oh! Yes, I said my goodness to that too. Damn, girl! Where's your face? Where's your face?
My hee face is that one right there, which you don't like.
No, I don't like it.
But it's the same concept.
He's not circumcised.
He's not. I'm used to uncircumcised. I wasn't expecting that.
He's quite a girthy dude.
Wow.
I'm not gonna lie, he's quite girthy. And quite veiny too.
Wow.
He'd be pretty good.
Yeah.
And that's what we replied to. Damn. What face am I looking for? What face am I looking for? This face. Ha ha ha! Fucking genius. 100% honestly, if you hate me for saying this, I understand. Fucking fire away, man. If you were here inviting me over, I would honestly really want to fuck. That's just what I'd like to do, and I hope you don't hate me. Same?
So, yeah. I don't do relationships. Especially with people that I know from school. No strings attached.
I said no hate.
I still
You're a
don't-
fan?
Still don't understand Jason's message.
Where is it? Let me read it. Wait, you wanna... I think I just shocked a dude to the next millennial. I'm fucking good at this. Where is Jason's message? What did he say?
Repeat that for me then?
No. No.
There's dark chocolate in this. Oh, there is.
It's Lindor.
Nice.
Impressive.
Can I sit on the couch with you?
Yes.
Okay, my knees hurt.
Is that you inviting me over? Yes.
What the hell? What does that do?
Jono. He was so fucking paced out. He's like, to be honest, I like you in your loungewear though. And I was like, well, that's what I'm wearing right now. I go show me a pic.
Do it again.
Don't. Stop.
Sweet. I'm just filming.
I'm leaving now.
Hey guys. cab. Tacos, Mexican.
I have to pat myself on the back.
You did a really good job, Sam. I'm impressed.
For an amateur.
Treating you with food.
I cannot believe that. Like, honestly.
Is it true? Copy everything. Preview it. And copy everything. I got that.
Give me more.
Pressure.
I have osteoporosis. I have the big sad.
Watch out, 'cause I know the break's coming.
What's that?
No. My whole face is getting covered then as well. So put your arms around me, baby. That's just how we do.
White package? I win.
I can't do it, I'm not aggressive.
Why do you do this? I don't know what.
Coronavirus! Oh fuck, where's my
And
Glen
that's
20?
on being a dumb bitch.
Where's my Glen 20?
I don't fucking know.
Oh, fuck with you!
You stupid ass bitch.
I fuck with you!
You dumb ass bitch.
I wanna straighten my hair.
Do it now, looking good.
This pussy just locked your shit on my neck. Like, why was you?
They're sitting there doing this and you go. Ready?
Do I make you horny, baby?
Do it.
Look.
Give me. Just throwing it back and then throwing your spine out of alignment. Everyone will say the truth. Pagan Jewel Harrison Brown is a crackhead.
Harry Mulholland is a crackhead.
Only when I'm around you.
Watch out.
And then I just grab it on.
And then he like touched me. Look at that. That looks beautiful.
That's really good.
You
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Yeah.
Break's coming.
Thank you, Harry.
I have multiple.
Thank you, Sam.